This 2013 Hyundai has a P0138 check engine code. It is a Tucson limited edition model. Removing the O2 sensor located after the catalytic converter. Removing the wire from here. The link to buy the sensor will be in the description. I will also leave the part number for this sensor in the description. I disconnected the O2 sensor plug from here. Removing the O2 sensor wire connection from where it sits. These O2 sensors usually tend to go bad. A bad O2 sensor can affect emissions and fuel efficiency. I used a 22mm O2 sensor socket to remove it. This is how I removed the O2 sensor. I used my homemade leverage tube to loosen the O2 sensor. Using something long, even a breaker bar can help. This is how the old and bad O2 sensor looked once I took it out. This is the new O2 sensor that I installed. I added the high temperature anti-seize compound or ceramic paste on the O2 sensor thread to prevent seizing. Comparing the colored wire connections. If you like this video so far, give it a like. And subscribe to be a subscriber. After replacing the O2 sensor, there were no more codes present.